What's up guys, Asan Yasin here, and today I'm going to share with you how to make money online with Amazon. So first of all, what you have to do is to sign up on Amazon. Then what are the services does Amazon provide to the seller? Just sell on Amazon, then fulfilled by Amazon, and then Amazon advantages. So today we will cover all the topic, so how to make money online and how to sell the product on Amazon. So Amazon basically displays its ad by reaching your customer with display advertisement on Amazon.com by mobile or by Kindle. And then Amazon Associate advertise Amazon product on your websites and earn up to 15% in referral fees on the sale of the books, music, DVDs, toys, electronics, kitchen, apparel, jewelry, and more. Amazon sponsored products are basically promote your products on Amazon with pay per click keywords targeted ads. Your ads may appear on the page or one of the search results and on product detail pages. Then payment solutions. Amazon Pay. Bring the trusted Amazon payment experience to your website and make it easy for the customer to pay. Amazon App Store. Sell your Android apps on the Amazon App Store and reach millions of Kindle Fire, Amazon Fire TV, and select Android devices. It's easy to get started. Over 75 of the Android apps we tested work with no additional development necessary. Amazon Monetizations App API. So mobile associate. Monetize your apps and games by integrating the Amazon mobile ads API in apps purchasing or the mobile associate API, which let you sell physical products in your apps and earn up to 6% transaction fee. Then Amazon HTML5 web apps, which you sell your HTML5 apps and mobile optimized websites on the Amazon Web App Store, available in nearly 200 countries worldwide. So Kindle directing publishing basically Kindle directory publishing make it easy and fast for you to independently publish your book for free and reach millions of Kindle and Kindle apps reading customers worldwide. Or audiobook creation exchange, basically that gives you control over audiobooks production. Connect with a network of leading audiobooks producer or learn what you need to know to produce it yourself. Reach hundreds of millions of customers. So that's it. Amazon.com, you order your list, find a gift, browsing history, returns, customer services, how to sell a product on Amazon, your accounts, gift card, and registry. So this is all about today's topic. If you have any query, then you can contact me through WhatsApp or through the comment section. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So I hope you like this video. In this video, we will cover the topics of how to sell on Amazon, how to display ads on Amazon,